Several years ago, one of our former presidents was going to make a statement I didn't like. But afterwards, when I thought about it, I thought, all right. He said, it's so amazing that we have so many churches that are here in our country, and more churches are starting every day, but the state of the nation is becoming worse and worse and worse. Yeah. The churches of old, when the church became the church in the New Testament, it affected the quality of life that was going on in the nation. Runa, what church are we? That we open more churches, we have more people becoming pastors, we have more people becoming bishops, apostles, major 1, major 2, major 3, major number, whatever. We have so many prophets and so many things that we're doing, and yet the statistics are showing that our nation is becoming worse and worse and worse. I'll tell you why it's that. It's because the people who are professing the name of God are cohabiting with sinful behavior. That we come to church, but we still practice certain things. It is that kind of lifestyle that neutralizes our prayers. It is that kind of behavior that even our power is not felt. Our effectiveness is not there as the church. Yeah, we can be fashionable, but be a powerless church. The gospel has the power to deliver and to cleanse. And Nehemiah, please don't take my verse away, please. When he went before God, when he was burdened, he began with his wrongs to deal with his sins. He says, Lord, please, your ears be attentive to our prayers. Hear the prayers of your servant before you, who pray before you day and night for the children of Israel. And we confess the sins of the children of Israel which have sinned against you. Both my father's house and I have sinned. Next verse. We have acted corruptly against you. Yeah. In church. Yeah. We allow things to happen. We allow corruption to happen. We've sold out as ministers. We're selling the pulpit. We are allowing influential people to become the greatest thing ever. We want to bring people here who are known but who don't live the lifestyle. We want to be proud to be the pastor of so and so, even if so and so doesn't live the life. And we will bring them here to try and promote our ministries and show how big we are. Okay, I know you don't like me, but that's fine. I'm not in for votes. We have acted corruptly against you. We have not kept the commandments, the statutes, nor the ordinances which you've commanded your servant Moses. Pastor Lana, we must make up our minds we're going to live for God. Can I hear an amen?